Are you curious about flying on Flair Airlines? Join me in this video as I fly in one of Canada's newest ultra-low-cost carriers. Out of all the airlines in Canada, I would have to say Flair has the best and most accessible website. It's easy to understand, it's clear, and I didn't have a hard time finding what I needed to find. I booked a one-way flight from Calgary to Kitchener-Waterloo. Mind you, the date that I've chosen was a sample date, but this was the same booking process that I went through. As I continue to book along, look at the top right-hand corner of the screen and keep an eye on the price. One thing Flair does here in the booking is that they sell everything in bundles. It's actually cheaper than if you were to buy everything separately. I chose the big bundle so I can get the full experience. As I fill out my dummy booking, I just want to let everyone know what an ultra-low-cost carrier is. It's an airline that provides consistently low fares to its customers while only charging them for what they need during their journey. Some skeptics will say that all airlines do is to nickel and dime you. Well, wait till the end and you'll see that there actually is an apparent difference. In these next few screens, you'll see exactly what's included in my big bundle. In my personal opinion, seat selection is key. No one wants the dreaded middle seat. If you opt not to pre-select your seat, it will be randomly assigned to you when you get to the airport. So far, the booking process has been really easy. Just when I think I have questions, the next screen provides me with all the answers. I'm a big fan of this priority boarding option. It doesn't matter what seat or zone you're currently in. While you pay for priority boarding, you can guarantee that you can comfortably get on the aircraft without having to rush, and to make sure that your carry-on bag fits in the cabin. Alright, so after all of that, please look at the final price. Got it? Okay, remember that number. So it looks like I added a lot of travel options, and I did. Now let's compare these prices with another major Canadian carrier on the same route and on the same day. Remember that number? No worries, I'll place it right over here. Guys, that's a difference of $381.10. I even added everything that the big carriers offer with your ticket, and it's still that much cheaper. Check-in at the airport was seamless. They accepted my bag, tagged it, weighed it, and I just dropped it off. There's plenty of staff at check-in, and I didn't even have to wait in line. One thing about an ultra-low-cost carrier, they'll actually tag your carry-on bag as well, so that when you get to the gate, the agents will look at your bag to determine whether you've paid or not for your carry-on baggage. It's actually a cool -38 morning this day. Therefore, our flight was delayed about 30 minutes, but that's understandable. It's Canada, we have seasons, it's bound to happen. since I paid for priority boarding, my boarding pass read Zone 1. The majority of Flair's fleet consists of 737 MAX 8 aircrafts. Flair does offer a slightly more premium experience in its first rows of their aircraft, but I opted to sit in the 23rd row as I wanted to sit by the wing and experience what it was like to travel normally. As you can see with priority boarding, there isn't a rush of people in front of me or behind me, therefore I can take my time putting my bag away, getting comfortable in my seat, and just getting footage. I know I've been raving, but here's my first gripe. The seat pitches towards the back are very narrow. Once again, since we're flying on an ultra low-cost carrier, beverage service is not complimentary. Therefore, you have to order everything that you want to eat, drink, through the app. That being said, the menu's not that bad. It's pretty sizable and it's got some decent options. Okay, one more gripe. The app was very glitchy. I had to uninstall it and reinstall it, and it still didn't work. Therefore, I didn't have access to the onboard entertainment or to order any food. I normally listen to my own music anyway, but it would have been nice to have that option. The best thing about flying into a smaller airport is that you don't have to wait long for your bags, and you can get outside right away for your ride. For my first time flying with Flair, I thought the experience was easy and straightforward. Information was clear, the flight was pleasant, the staff was friendly, and overall, it was a positive experience. I hope this video helps with any questions that you may have. I acknowledge that not every flight experience is the same, but this was mine, and I would probably book with Flair again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving us a like and a subscribe for more content.